I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Hello there, welcome back to another edition of Kip Does Stuff. Today, I've got a lot of sewing stuff, 3 bags full, and all my leather tools. Leather tools have been in this old tackle box someone fashioned for them. It doesn't fit right, nothing fits in here at all, worth of crap. And everything's all haphazard, I don't like it. And my sewing stuff has just been laying in 10 different places in the shop, preventing me from getting things done that I want to get done. So today, I'm going to solve this mess of everything being everywhere with a little help from Harbor Freight. Okay, instead of building a special case to hold all this stuff like I wanted to do, which would make it about 3 foot square and weigh 200 pounds and be impossible to move around a store, I decided to just go with some quick storage. Got this bag for $5.99 at Harbor Freight. Inside there, I've got these 2 organizer cases that I got for $7.99 each. And I should be able to get everything either inside these cases or in the bag, and it's got these pockets that go around the outside. I think there's 10 of them. The larger stuff can go in there for holders, and the rest I'll just put on the bottom. So let's start getting things loaded up. Okay, here's everything laid out that needs to go in this black bag. So I'm going to find a spot for everything in these 2 containers. So I need to get started. Okay, so I got everything in the bag except for the dye. Of course, I think all the dye is dried up and been dried up for years, so I never use it anyway. So I guess it's time to pull the tag off the bag and keep it. I had to put all the tools on the outside because I couldn't close the bag with them on the inside pockets. That's fine. Let's put this on the shelf to the next time I need it. And everything's right where I want it. Thanks for watching.